Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make things, how to make Play-Doh things.
I'm right here. I'm really not in the video today because he decided to make it, so yeah. And he forgot to say he's Carlos.
Oh, and I'm Carlos, not Carla today.
Alright, bye guys. That's Carlos gonna take over. Bye.
Okay, so you just want to flatten it out, your Play-Doh. So just do that. Then you're going to put this Play-Doh aside. Then if you want, you can get another color, but today I'm getting orange. So let me just get more orange. So you just want to flatten it out. And I'll see you guys when I'm done flattening it out. So I just flattened it out. So we just get, you have this, just roll it. Into the Play-Doh. I'm doing it hard, kind of. Not really. And I'll see you guys when I fix it. So, when you have both of them flat, what you want to do is like, make them like, fold them in half. That. Fold both in half. That. Sorry. And then just like, fold them again. Like that. And all you want to do is just make them like a rectangular shape. Sorry guys if this video is boring. Like that. I'm going to do it the same as that. If you guys don't know how to do it, you just flatten it out like that. And then you just put your hands and just push it. Both of your hands and push it like that. So if this was my Play-Doh, it would be like just pushing it. Don't push it all the way until it looks like a pencil. Like a pencil. And I'll see you guys when I'm done. Welcome back guys, and I did them like today. And if you guys don't know what we're doing, we're making popsicles. So what you have to do, if you want, you can get like pens to make the sticks. So let's go. So you just want to put them in. If the pens ruined it, you can just put nothing on it. You can just make it bread. So you do it with the other one. Because he's doing a video. So, that is So I'm gonna eat this right now. So my sister fixed it. Thank you. And that is it for the video. I know it was a short video. And I see you guys in the next one. My ice cream melted. And I see you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below. Bye. Carter went to the bathroom. Just kidding. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys.